got a secret, but it won't be a secret for long. Let me give you a hint. It's on Clint, and it's in mint condition. Classic, comfortable, and on a corner lot. Take a look.
Welcome home to this charming abode that is perfect for entertaining. Located on a large corner lot, this beautiful home features an open floor plan and plenty of natural light. The living area includes a cozy fireplace and built-in wet bar, ideal for gathering with friends and family. You'll love the granite countertops in the kitchen, as well as the pantry for all your cooking needs. Plus, there are 2 patios to relax and enjoy your morning coffee or evening sunsets. For added convenience, the 4th bedroom with its own private bath could be perfect for a second living area or media room. Come experience all that this amazing property has to offer.
Take a look at this great stone fireplace. Don't forget, 2 patios. This one won't last long. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.